Would you dare to climb a staircase like this? This is the unique way Tibetan people go upstairs. In Tibetan regions, staircases are often simple single log ladders. The entire structure is made from one solid piece of wood, and craftspeople carve step-like notches into the surface. Once the notches are done, the staircase is considered complete. Although it looks dangerous, it's actually even less secure than it appears, since the log is simply leaned against the wall with no nails or extra support. People step directly on these carved holes to go up and down. While most of us wouldn't dare to get close to such a ladder, Tibetans are completely used to it. They move up and down swiftly, confidently, and without fear. Some can even climb while carrying heavy loads. It's truly astonishing to see. Do you think this sounds crazy? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.